Hello everyone. I think we're live. So let's get this started. Let me know if you're there, and a sound check would be nice as well. Let's get back into building our platform with Livewire and Filament. So, let's go. So, what did I forget? I forgot nothing, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so let's navigate into our page. Here we go. /admin. Hey Said, how are you doing? Nice to see you again. I remember, I hope I'm not, yeah. Right, it's Guilherme, right? You have the name. Hey Leandro, how are you doing today? Nice to see you here. I think we three speak Portuguese, right? And hello Homer, how are you doing today? Yeah, so Said is Guilherme. I was not sure, so now I am. Welcome, welcome. We have a party already. Woohoo! Great. Let's get this started. So I'm gonna go and open the terminal on the side in another screen. I will just, as always, start the build. And yeah, I'll have just a command to run a terminal to run some commands if we need. Or I'll do them on screen. Yeah, let me just put OBS into place. All right. How are you doing, guys, today? Lots of work? What's going on? Yeah. So, and Guilherme changed everything, all platforms to have the same and be consistent. I've done the same with Patricio on code. And how do I spell? Is it, or how do I pronounce? Is it Said? Is it okay? Okay, we are back. We are trying Blocky. We have a couple. Yeah, reorder not found. Yeah, we ditched that, so that's exactly where we're going to get back. Okay. So, okay, we were not able to call reorder. Yeah, now I remember. Just for a small recap, we have one Livewire component, which has a stack of another Livewire components where we will have stackable content. And we want to edit the content, of course, and before saving it has to be in memory. So yeah, let's take care of that. So the content manager will bring to life each type of block. For people just joining, one block will have the block type, its sort, the content, which is a JSON field, which inserts a filament form content, and might be active or not, and belongs to a document, and that's it. So, when we start this block type, we will be instancing one of these blocks. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's go. We are prototyping, right? So the thing is, in the content manager, we might add a new field, right? We are appending basic texts. And the thing is, these already have UID in the database and these don't. And what we've done in the previous episode was to prepend underscore, meaning that's a new UID. So let's take care of just that. I will bring up another repo on the side as before, just to be fast. I have some code I can borrow from there to do this faster. Okay, and what we're going to do... Hey, hello Marcos, how are you doing today? Another day, another battle. Yeah, that's how it goes. Hope you're doing well. So let's get UUID behavior. I don't know why, but I don't enjoy much to drop the native, the default ID, numeric ID. I don't know why. It feels like someday I will need it because of some integration or some package, right? So what I typically like to do is to add UUID as a separate field. So I'll even bring a concern. I don't know, but yeah, I won't overcomplicate it. I'll just put on the boot method. I'll just duplicate. Okay, so when we are creating, if it doesn't exist, if it exists, let's use that. If not, we will put a new one. And we'll do this with the stackable content and also with content block. I don't know how to teach anyone to pronounce Said, but there's a YouTube video. Oh, really? How to pronounce Said. Whoa, that should be funny. Do you have a link? Or is there any similar word? Okay, so we have this boot. Let's make sure that they have the fields. Yeah. Table UUID. Whoop. Yeah, and okay. I think that there's a tiny chance of collision, but yeah, let's put it unique if it's not already. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Done. Let's migrate and refresh. Artisan migrate fresh -- seed. There we go. So we have IDs again. We are logged out. We just click. We're logged in. And we have the UUID field now. Let's just be sure, for example. There we go. UUID. We didn't even have to touch the migrations, the seeders, because if the field doesn't exist, gets created, the attribute. That's it. Yeah. So, meaning, let me bring Ray. Yeah, these are the other UUIDs. I'll just have it on top of my picture when it will be needed. I will hide it when I need to go to the tree. Okay. I'll just put it on top. There we go. Okay. Going back into our item, Livewire item. we have to do it in both the same behavior, right? We'll see about not. Let's avoid duplication for later. So, if this is a new, so if let's spit, yeah, it was already, right? UUID, let's save it. So if I am to refresh 1, 2, 3 fields, we see just number 2. Why is that? Oh, so first of all, let's go to the content manager, stackable content. No, this is the model. Content manager. And let's plug and key by UUID because we've just added this. Refresh. Yeah. And I see 1 UUID. And that's because probably just in 1. Yeah. So let's put it in both. Each field. Hey, Adrian. Nice to see you again on the party. 3 out of 3, eh? Thank you, man, for joining. Always a pleasure. You should join on the camera as well to get back at the old times. Okay, so refresh, and we have 3 UUIDs. 1, 2, 3. And now if I will append, I will clean. If I append a new field, yeah, we have underscore UUID, meaning these in our logic, in our domain, will represent that this is still not persisted in the database. But still we can use to refresh. Whoa, the reorder is... the reorder field. The reorder method, I mean, it's being called. Yeah, this still doesn't exist. So stop doing that. Yeah, no, now we have to do it. I guess that's the time. So after we stop dragging, we will change the state to the new sort, right? Let's bring Ray on the screen. Let's stop outputting UUIDs in both blocks. There we go. And Content Manager will have the reorder field that will not persist on the database. It will just change the block infos, which is a key value array, associative array of UUID and block type. That's it. So the reorder will receive the new block infos order, right? And let's just output that for now. Cleaning, okay. I'll change this one. Whoa, this is going to be hard to read. So I'm gonna go and change the seeder. And I'm also going to add the UUID explicitly. But I guess it won't be a UUID if I make it by end, right? Okay, so never mind. Let's... And I can see... Okay, no problem. So this is an array. Let's collect this array. And then let's going to So like this, and just to be easier to my eyes, typically I like to do this, and let's map them. Perfect. But now we have the value is the UUID. So what we want is just the string limit, and I just want 3 or 4 characters. That's it. And if all goes well, if I now refresh, we have, yeah, perfect. Let's put the end. I don't want it with anything, or I can, doesn't matter. Dot 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 is okay. What I want to do is expand all, and I can even put this to array to be cleaner. Okay, refresh, there we go. A4 for EF9. Maybe we can have the same on each one. Text basic. Oh no, I need to change these to basic text block. So let me find and change to basic text block to be consistent. Dot blade dot php. Of course, now you don't find it, and it's basic text block. Okay, so now you should find it, and the property is called UUID there. There we go, F95. And now we'll do the same into rich editor block. Same situation, let's change the name, which is rich editor block. Let's output first 4 characters, and let's refactor the name. There we go. Okay, so we have now the new positions. I mean, each position is the UUID of each element is there. So let's bring F95 to the last. There we go. So when it refreshed, went to the middle because we didn't change it. And here is the correct. So we need to put this in memory. Adrian is asking, do you need a sorting? I have an icon emoji in front of the word. How silly is this? Okay. Do you need a sorting macro by values? I'm not, are you asking for a so if I need a script, you have some script to give me? Hey, no. Bro, how are you doing? Doing well. Did you bring beer? Hope so. Do you need a sorting macro by values? Yeah, I think I was going to do that because, well, content manager, here we go. And we go. So I have the new order, so I would change the position with the one of here, right? So via Telegram. Okay, thank you. Okay. So this is the new order. I might the block infos. What? Yeah, so this is the new order. So yeah, let's see what comes from Adrian. Probably a great thing for sure. Search by list. So what do I give? So sort by list. I give it the list and the property. Okay, I think I got it. So let's see. Let's put this in a provider. In some provider. App service provider. It sorts the collection by the given array. Right. So I will collect the existing one, sort by that, return to array. I think that's it. Yeah. App service provider. So let's just put it here for now. Or this sort macro register sort macro. Yeah. Okay. What is infinite? Oh, I didn't know about this. Which will be the last one, right? That's what I assume. So let's see. So we now have the sort by list method. So let's collect our block infos. Whoa! I guess Copilot did it right. No. Close enough. So the current block infos will be collecting them and sorting them by the new list, which I was going to start it, but Adrian sent me this. So if all goes well, we don't sort it by the keys because we have it there. I guess before seeing this, let's just see it on the screen. Let's see the new info order. Oh, damn it. Yeah, no problem. Let's see everything. So if I were to refresh, it will be A for F in the end. A for F. A for F. And A, F4. I have updated the gist because you need the sort key by list. Oh. We need to sort the keys. Yeah, we need to map with keys, right? I guess that's what you've changed the gist for, maybe? It's another macro. Yeah, I got it. So let's go here and register this other one. Yep, done. So sort by key list. I confess I didn't understand this, but of course I trust you. So sort key by list. I guess that's the thing. So if I were to refresh, we need A for F. So A for F, let's do it. Hello. It took some time. Okay. A for F. A for F. Ta-da! Adrian approved. Adrian stamp of approval. Yeah. Thank you so much, Adrian. So now that we have just ordered it, I mean, it becomes so simple even to have it here. So sort by key list, and let's return it to array again. There we go. So if all goes well, we can now refresh the Livewire state and nothing will happen, right? Yeah, it is in the same position. That's it. And if I were to put it in first and putting a new block, notice the pre-appended underscore. And if I am to refresh, nothing happens. If I move it up to some position, I refresh, all is good. Great. So let's see what happens now. What happens now is a commit. So handling sorting in memory. Okay. It's good to have a project to copy stuff from. Yeah, it is. Actually, that's one of the reasons of the platform, this component that we are building right now will be to put snippets or small tutorials or links to some package doing, so it's some references, yeah? So it's also for that sort of things. Thank you, Leandro. Hope you're enjoying. We also spoke a lot about this, right? Okay, so now we need to save because we are to refresh and ta-da, we need to keep the stuff. So let's go back. And now, if we want to save, we are to do, right? We have the save to do. Here we go. So we need to save it. Yeah, right now, I'm not worrying about extracting these to other files, but yeah, let's go. So our parent needs to emit to the child, hey, save yourself, right? And they have all of them to save, right? Could this happen under a single request and under a transaction? I'm not sure. Because they are batched, every request will be batched, right? If not isolated. But I guess I'm thinking too far ahead. Let's keep it simple first. Right? So there will be just one stackable content per page, but if for any reason there are two, if this one emits an event, it has to be just to its children. It shouldn't affect other components' children, right? And I don't know if we can emit just to a child. I know to a parent it's there, right? Where we can even call parent methods on the child, on each child. Okay, this is smart, yeah. Listening for events from specific childs. No. We need to listen from parent. We need the opposite. Just dispatch the event and send also the UIDs as a parameter. Yeah, perfect. My mind was saying to use the parent UUID, but then it's not on the list, so yeah, that works. Clever. The payload won't even be too big, right? Even if it's 30 blocks, which won't happen, it's just 30 strings. On the children, implement the listener that one will react if the event has a UID. Exactly. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, so the save will dispatch content manager.save. Okay, I'll accept it. And let's send the block infos. That's it. Typically, I like to put colon and before update. Yeah, from JavaScript, I think it's tip update content manager or save or update. Yeah, feels more natural. I don't know. What are you guys using typically as convention for the listeners? So we have to say to each block, I have to make a trait to not repeat, right? But for now, yeah, I don't know. I don't want to over-engineer in the beginning. Also, I don't want to repeat myself all the time. So let's make interacts with stackable content. Interacts with stackable content. Let's do this trait. And if all goes well, we can save by listening to this event. Let's say saving, and let's also output our UUID that would exist, right? Our basic text block will also, that one is from a package, this will be from our application, so maybe I'll just have it like this. Yeah, same namespace, so that's okay. Let's see what we got. Let's bring Ray, refresh, right? Save. Yep, all of them are saving themselves. I mean, they are not, but they reacted. And if I am to add one with underscore, cleaning Ray, save. There we go, saving with underscore. This will be an exception because we have to create, but let's see. Okay, so when we're saving, we get the block infos. So, which is the key. The UUIDs are on the keys. So if collect, if the block infos keys contains doesn't contain this UUID, return. Yep. So we can try this somehow. For starters, let's make sure they still output the thing. So I add one, save. I forgot to output, no? No, saving. Where is saving? Did it fail? Yep, it did fail. Block infos, keys. Okay. So let's see what's here. Save. Block infos, keys. Did I forget to... Oh, I did forget. I dispatched wrong. Adrian is telling me. And... Oh, it has to be a named parameter, right? Is it? It's not an array. It's... damn it. Block infos. Like this, I guess, right? Dispatch param needs to spread, they need to be spread. Or if I do like this, I guess Livewire will understand the named argument, named parameter, right? Not sure, but Ray is taking so long when my OBS is running. Yeah, not much CPU load, but how is memory? Okay. All right. Both work. Yeah. Okay, Adrian, thank you. So if all goes well, if we are now saving, yeah, so now we see the keys. Great. So save. And it still saves. So what I need to do to just quickly try this, still not testing, I need to go to the page. So Filament, pages, try blocky, and yeah, I can bring a second component. 12. Okay, so now we have two components on the page, two editors. Don't know why we would need this, but just want to make sure of this because it would be something I don't want to have to deal. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, yeah, so these editors are also saving on this one because the UUID of the block is the same. Right, so that's why I see 6, but if I were to... Now these UUIDs are different. I guess I will see not 10, but 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Yeah, because we just saved the _5 _F8. Yeah, and not these ones. So I will still see 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So there's this thing. I am connecting to the block and not to the parent. Not sure if this is the way I would like. I think I'd rather use the parent. I guess I'd rather use the parent. The content editor ID. The block will always be unique. Adrian is saying, yeah, if there are two, yeah, because everyone is UUID, unless we are opening the same document. So yeah, maybe I'm worrying too much in this phase. Yeah, let's proceed. Yeah, thank you. Let us proceed. Let's come back to the page. We don't need this anymore. We have one component and we can append and everyone will save themselves. Okay, but there's something which is I don't want to add this in the trait. Each block should know how to do this. So, yeah, I'm making a trait here. I'm also going to make the contract here. So, stackable. This will be put into a package, right? So I'll just keep everything in one folder and then it will be easier for me to have stackable content, an interface. Yeah. Let's do this. So save and create. Create maybe something like this. Is incompatible. Why is that? Oh, right. Boot saving. No. We will be here. Check saving. And we can now add our own save. Create false. Maybe we will also pass the position to save. Yeah, we need to pass it, Adrian, that's right. We need... Yep, we need the position. Yes, we do. Unless we save it... Yeah, we'll save it here, right. So, it will be an integer, right? And with a position or sort or order. Position, order, yeah. From check to save, yeah, exactly. We have the block infos, we check the position and of our this UUID, and then we give the index, and that's the position plus 1 to start in 1, I think, right? So as stackable content, we'll have the order, and typically it will not create, right? and maybe I want to mutate state before writing, so I want to have it here. Yeah. Okay. So this is not save that we want. We want the check saving. I mean, it always, yeah. And what do we have here? Block infos. Got it. And yeah, okay, let's do it. Okay, so this will make the check, perform the check. If this UUID starts with, I guess it's listening to me, starts with underscore, creating equals true, else false. What's wrong here? Why is this screaming with me? Ah, got it. Okay, so we now know if we are creating or not. And or we can even check if it's a new UUID or not. Or we can use that UUID. We will remove it and yeah, let's see. No, I don't think we need. Or yeah, we do need it. We will remove and use it because we have it booted in the So this will change. There's something tricky about this. Okay, so let's this save. We need a position, so how do I get the position? So in the block infos, I want the position of this UUID. It's the index of, right? Oh, I don't know how to do this. Get the index in the block infos array. Search and this corresponding key. Nice. So, let's see. A research is your friend. Yeah, thank you, Adrian. I'll keep it as a collection. I know it's less performant, but in this context, check saving. Oh, probably there's a problem. There's a problem. What did it create? False. What's... Okay. Don't know why you're still screaming at me. Method declaration in parent class. I don't know why you say this. void array. Block infos void. What's the problem here? Ah, no, we don't have the order here. Maybe in the trait. Yeah, for sure it's here. Oh, why did this happen? Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, for sure I duplicated and I changed something in the wrong place. Thank you. Okay, so if all went well, we will now receive in each block the save order, the save message, right? Will be invoked, giving us the order, and is it creating or not? Okay, let's see if we receive all of this. I want that small thing, string, this UUID, limit for, yeah. Let's see what's going to happen. Hey people, just no one is speaking. Why is that? I want to hear your thoughts or comments. Or Adrian, of course, is speaking and is doing very well and helping me very much. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's save it. And oh, it's the stringable. I don't know why, but I would like it to not have to explicitly say value. I can cast it before, but okay, save. A451, position 0, exists in database, so it's false. For E1B, what happened to the F95? Refresh, save. I just have two of them. Oh, and I know why. You must be screaming at me because I'm silly, and you are right, because I am. Okay, here we go. Refresh, save. Great. So I'll even put this in green, just to be different, and basic text block will be green for no special reason, just to be seen faster. Yeah. So none of this exists in database, so we always get 0, 0, and the order shouldn't be 0, 0, 0. Should be 0, 1, 2. Said if you string facade instead, you'll get string back. Oh. If file string facade. Whoop. Whoa, what's happening here? Okay, so string limit. Ah, right. Yeah. So now it's imported. So, yeah. Thank you, Guilherme. Said. Yeah, perfect. So, whoop. Again, stringable. Oh, silly me. I told you I was silly. Limit. Yeah. Refresh, save. There we go. Okay, but the order is 0, 0, 0, and that's not supposed to happen. Okay, so let's get back. Yes, exactly, Said. Thank you. I was I wasn't, I don't know, I overlooked it. Okay, so let's get back. What time is it? Almost 1 hour. Yeah, let's start thinking about closing. We are going in a good rhythm, I think. So, before UUID, research this UUID. Okay. I guess that was what I'm doing already, like, right? In the block infos. It's just a different notation because it's a collection, right? Yeah, I know. Let's do it like that. Let's find this UUID. Let's find it in array keys. Ah, right. Because the block infos doesn't have the UUIDs. It has the UUIDs as key and the block type as value. So we need to make keys search. I guess that is it. So let's save. Right. So 0, 1, 2. And that's it. Hopefully that works. And order will be this plus 1. Or 1 plus. So if all goes well, 1, 2, 3. And now if I am to clean it up and bring it to the last position, for example, 1, 3, 2. Perfect. So the basic text is number 3. Okay. We need to save. We need to save it now, right? So what we're going to do is let's save it. Okay, so did this load? Oh, but I will load it because I will load from database, right? So yeah, it doesn't matter for now. So the model where we persist this is called the block blah blah blah. What's the name? Content block. So content block update or create. Update or create. I guess it works. The only thing is we need to remove the underscore and to update it in the parent. Or maybe we don't need it at all. Why prepending? We don't need this. Right? We generate one. If it doesn't exist in the database, we create it. That's it. Right? I just wanted a way to identify so that I could conditionally know, but I don't need to conditionally know. Right? Anyone following? So block type will be this block type. I have to put this in some strings, constants, whatever. So content will be this form get state. I think that's it. Let me just make sure. Bye create bool. Yeah, bye create bool. Exactly. Bye create bool. Bye. I love to say bye-bye to code. When you can say bye-bye to code, that's nice. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's nice, right? To say bye-bye to code. So I think the create we don't need. And I just wanted to check if this is the form state. So there we go. Let's make it purple and let's make it expanded. That's it. Let's see our array. Let's save. Hey, Vitor, how are you doing? So long. So long? No, not so long. Long time no speak. Not only to code. Yes, not only to code. Problems are also good to say bye-bye. And more stuff. Maybe. Okay, fillable. How many of you are still guarding the models? I'm not sure. Okay, so we need a content block and guarded. Whoops. Guarded. At least the ID. No, not at least the ID. Is this mass assignment? Yes, it is mass assignment. Yes, it is. There's the array. So the UUID is also... I think I have to make another passage for the... Oh, side guarded equals empty for Adrian, and side is... saying, yes, I do still guard my models. And for sure that's not wrong, but I don't know. I also have some feelings that too much bureaucracy, I don't know. I feel wrong in saying this, but it is what it is. Okay, so update or create, form get state, content block, guarded ID. Okay, let's see what comes up. Let's save. Shada! And we have the content as a form state. It's null. And what happened? Is it already casted? No, it's not. So what happened to the model? How come? Oh, because it's JSON content already in the data type, right? So casts. Let's make the content into an array object. It's JSON, right? I never know the difference between array and object because they, even if an array, they end up being serialized as an object, right? Because they are associative arrays, right? Yeah, but yeah. Okay, so we now have a content. So I think the array, the output was just in the basic text. Yeah, so let's say hello world and let's save and we have hello. Great. So we just need to iterate the state. And now I'm thinking we can have this on the trade. And if we want to override it, we will. Maybe. Let's see what happens. I mean, let's do it right now. Content block is hard-coded. Yeah, but for now, yeah, I don't want to overthink things. So saving and table plus, yeah, all of them are saved. So that is cool. But if I am to refresh, they still don't load. Whoa, how come did they always turn into basic text block? Aha, this is why. So this was a bad idea, at least for now. Oh, and let's have render as a last method, as a good rule of thumb, right? That's it. So this is a basic text block, and this is a rich editor block. So let's make it all save. And after refresh, why are there still save? Rich edit. Oh, because now they render it as the other one, right? So let me migrate fresh seed. There we go. If I were to refresh, sign in again, there we go. So blah blah blah, or 101, 222, 333. Match with class to type. You mean like an enum? So to make a map, or just the class name, or the base class name, something like this maybe. Oops, what I want the table plus. Yeah, so it's saved. I just need to boot the content form on the fill. So content block, where first. Yeah, so maybe it doesn't exist because it's a UID that doesn't exist. I think the fill needs a, what is the form? I don't know what they expect, but I think it's an empty array. But null also works, so content block, it's this one. So let's data get content block, content default, and I think we can call it a day. Let's see, both from rich editor and from okay, let's see what happens. Yay, 1, 2, 3. So if we go to table plus, I don't know, and we change this content to AAA, BBBBB. Let's do an H1 here just to have some fun. And let's do CCCCC. Save, that's it. Refresh. There we go. Match with class type. So match, instead of first, you can use value content. Oh, right. And it will be null if I, because the content might be more than one. I need an array if it's empty, or it will be a null. I guess I can be happy with this as well. So value, because I just need the content, right? For now, I don't think I need the model. If it's null, we can do it like this. But I think we are happy with null as well. Let's see. Yeah. if it's null for some reason. Let's nullify this one. Save. No, not empty. Null. Null. What is it? Null. Save. Null. Yeah. Got it. Refresh. Aha. Ah, of course, null, but no error. And if I am to change, save, there we go. Perfect. I'm happy with 3 hours on the thing, and I can see already a good thing. And yeah, still loads of work ahead, but it will be usable. I don't know when, but yeah, it's not that much of a work. And this is just plain Livewire and PHP and the Filament component. So this is why I'm happier than having, that JavaScript fields, which are sure they have better usability, but I guess so they can live in the Livewire world. There's some work to do still, and in terms of maintenance, I feel that this doesn't have. It's easier to maintain and have this working and customized, etc., than the JavaScript like TipTap and Plate.js, others. Match class. Try to save with different order. Yes, Adrian, thank you so much. I'm intending to make some tests soon. Yeah, it's saved. Perfect. I wanted to make with Playwright, not only past, but also end-to-end tests. Yeah, amazing. Also getting rid of attachments, because an attachment will be, let's bring again, middle, what's it called? I forgot the name of the board. Let's find it. Yeah, short form knowledge base. So yeah, an attachment will be an image. But the key, I think, that will make this easy to use will be these kind of clever things, maybe. Don't know if so clever or not, but if we want to paste an image, we have a place where to do it from our clipboard or drop a file. And also we can choose a block, and we can make our own classes for this. And that's it. I think Filament has the builder field, which is almost the same, but it's fundamentally it's so different that I've just felt I needed to do my own. So yeah, thank you, Adrian. Always your help, huh? And let's call it a day. I think it's very happy. It's a very happy ending for today. Yeah, it just works. It's amazing. If I just want to render a page with these 3 blocks, I can, right? Because, it's data in the database. Yeah, and I get an array per each block. Yeah, so amazing. Thank you so much, everyone. And I always have some silent people. Please say something. I see people in the room, but no one is speaking. I want to thank you, everyone who joined, who came and say hi, and who contributed. And I hope I see you in the next one very soon. Vitor, see you soon, buddy. let us know how is you were making an app, right? The last time we spoke for something related to plants, buddy, like a monitoring for health, plants health, right? Sadie saying, my Twitter opened on the tab. Yeah, I wanted to make sure if you are Guilherme, because I see Said and I think, I know this name from somewhere, but I don't want to say to someone, hey, Guilherme. So I went to check if you are the Said I was thinking about. Okay. Oh, it's free advertisement, huh? Everyone, thank you so much. Now let's call it a day. And yeah, hopefully, I don't know, but yeah, let's go with time. For now, the repo is not public. It's not even on my GitHub, so I have to take care of that. So yeah, hopefully I want to make it open source, but right now it's so. But who will visit, right? Not sure. So so I guess I'll just upload it and make it open source. Yeah, let's do it right now. Oh, but I don't have a name. I don't have a good name for this. So yeah, I'll try to think of one in the meantime. I need a name for this short form CMS platform kind of thing. And I think for the plugin, I found the name, Stackable Content. I don't know, maybe it will change. But yeah, that's I will open it open source from the beginning. I just need to find a good name. If anyone remembers that will find one, I'll be appreciated. Thank you so much, Adrian, Vitor, Said. Hope to see you soon, and everyone who is not saying hi, or maybe you're just listening. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Happy coding. Ciao.